The internet has changed everything. It's a revolution, a new frontier. The digital age has opened doors that were once locked tight. It has leveled the playing field, giving everyone a chance to shine. In the digital world, you can be anything you want. You can work from anywhere, whether it's a beach, a bustling coffee shop, or a serene city park. You can build a business from your bedroom. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can create something incredible. You can reach millions of people. Whether you're live, streaming, analyzing data, or conducting webinars, the digital world offers a platform to connect with a global audience. This isn't just about tech companies, it's about your dreams, your ambitions, and your potential to make a difference, your passions, your skills, your hustle. Whether you're an artist, a musician, or a fitness instructor, the digital world provides a stage for you to showcase your talents. Can you bake, teach yoga, design websites? Whatever your skill, there's a place for it online. Turn it into a digital business. Set up an online store, create a website, and market your products to a global audience. Share your gifts with the world. Use social media to connect with followers, showcase your art, or teach an online course. The barriers to entry have crumbled. You no longer need a physical storefront or a large investment to start a business. You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of capital. What you need is passion, determination, and a willingness to learn. Take online courses, learn new skills, and work late into the night if you have to. Success is within your reach if you're willing to work for it. Engage with your audience, offer support, and conduct workshops. Show the world what you have to offer. Are you ready to seize it? The digital world is waiting for you. Take the leap, embrace the opportunities, and make your mark.
Forget brick and mortar. The days of being confined to a physical location are over. The internet is your storefront. Your reach is limitless. With just a few clicks, you can set up an online shop and start selling to anyone, anywhere. Connect with customers across the globe. Engage with a diverse audience, understand their needs, and offer solutions that resonate with them. Build a brand that resonates worldwide. Use social media, digital marketing, and innovative strategies to make your brand a household name in different countries. Imagine this. You're a photographer in a small town. You have a unique eye for capturing stunning landscapes, passionate about capturing stunning landscapes. Your work is breathtaking, but your audience is limited to your local area. In the past, you were limited. Your reach was confined to those who could physically visit your studio. Now, you can share your work with the entire planet. Build a following online, create an online portfolio, share your photos on social media, and watch as your audience grows. Sell prints to anyone, anywhere. This isn't just theory, it's happening every day. Photographers are turning their passion into a global business. Entrepreneurs are breaking down geographical barriers. They're leveraging technology to reach new markets and expand their businesses. They're building empires from their laptops. Whether in a cafe, at home, or on the go, the world is their office. They're connecting with customers they never could have reached before. Positive reviews and testimonials from around the world are proof of their success. Think big, think global. Collaborate with international teams, brainstorm innovative ideas, and create a network that spans continents. The world is your oyster. Go get it. Embrace the opportunities that the global stage offers and make your mark.
The traditional 9-to-5 is dead. Digital entrepreneurship offers freedom, flexibility, control over your time. Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, starting your day when you feel most energized. Want to work from a beach in Bali? No problem. The world is your office. Prefer the cozy comfort of your home office? Surround yourself with your favorite things. You decide when and where you work best. The choice is yours. Spend more time with family. Pursue your passions. Your time is yours to allocate. Design a life you love. Set your goals and plan your days around what truly matters to you. This isn't just about work. It's about living life on your own terms. Freedom comes with responsibility. Stay organized and maintain a productive routine. The rewards are worth it. The satisfaction of achieving your goals and the freedom to live life on your own terms make it all worthwhile.
Traditional businesses face limitations. Physical storefronts, inventory management, hiring employees. Digital businesses can scale rapidly, reach more customers, increase profits. Imagine this, you create an online course. People love it. They tell their friends. Word spreads. You can reach thousands, even millions of students, all without renting a single classroom. This is the power of the internet. You can automate tasks. You can reach a global audience. You can grow your business exponentially. The sky's the limit. Dream big, scale up.
The digital world is a buffet of opportunities. Freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses. Find your niche. Build your empire. Are you a skilled writer? Become a freelance copywriter. Passionate about fashion? Launch an online boutique? Love sharing your knowledge? Create and sell online courses. The possibilities are endless. Explore your options. Experiment. Find what you're passionate about and make it happen. There's a place for you in the digital world. Find your fit and thrive. Thrive together. You're not alone on this journey. The digital world is full of supportive communities. Connect with fellow entrepreneurs. Learn from each other. Grow together. Join online forums. Attend webinars. Network on social media. Share your experiences. Seek advice. Celebrate your successes together. Collaboration is key. Support each other. Learn from each other's mistakes. Push each other to be better. Together we rise. Together we conquer the digital frontier. Embrace the unknown. Unleash your potential. The digital world is constantly evolving. New platforms emerge, trends come and go. Embrace the unknown. Be adaptable. Be a lifelong learner. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things. Fail fast and learn from your mistakes. The more you learn, the more you grow. The digital world rewards those who are adaptable, resilient, and hungry for knowledge. Embrace the challenge. Unleash your full potential.
Stop dreaming. Start doing. The digital world is waiting for you. Take that first step. Launch that website. Create that online course. Start building your dream today. There's never been a better time to be a digital entrepreneur. The tools are at your fingertips. The opportunities are endless. The only thing holding you back is you. What are you waiting for? Your journey begins today.